Happy morning, all of you. I am Professor Anukar Das. As I promised, I have already started making video on UPSC, IAS, PSC Public Service Commission interview series for 2022, which is most probable, expected, and projected questions, which they are already asking for last 10 years, and it might possibly in 2022 also they will ask you these questions. Definitely, it's uh, whatever question I have collected through the very nice sources or resources, everything I will discuss through the video and through the blog also. Please visit my blog also for several great learning. Okay, don't forget to go there also, and don't forget to subscribe my channel first of all, YouTube channel, so that you will be getting notification whenever I will be able to upload video on interview series. You will get each and every video for your complete learning, and there are already more than 150 videos on personality development series, GD series, PI series. Watch all those videos for complete learning. Don't miss any video. Okay, let's start with this question, and this will be the fourth questions related to this UPSC series. Okay, I have already uploaded 3 video on that. Please admire Mr. Gandhi in 5 words. Mr. Gandhi means Mr. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, our father of nation. They will ask you, please admire Mr. Gandhi in 5 words. It's a very tricky question at the same time and very difficult for any youngster to answer. Like you all, those who are appearing for civil service examination. Because in this country, those who are between 18 years to 40 years, they will never admire Mr. Gandhi. They will never appreciate Mr. Gandhi. They are abusing Mr. Gandhi like anything. In my 25 years of career, in almost 1000 plus institution and 250 plus organization, wherever I met any youngster age between 18 years to 40 years, I never got any single student who admired Mr. Gandhi. They are simply telling only because of Mr. Gandhi, the condition of India is like this. The students are telling basically, and due to this, India got divided into two parts. Firstly, India and Pakistan. After that, Pakistan and Bangladesh, like this, and they are abusing him like anything. Actually, my student, my all diamond student, whom I call diamond student, they do not know the reality of Mr. Gandhi. That's why they are abusing like that. But whenever they are meeting me and when I am explaining in the classroom in my classes workshop program, after that I personally believe everybody is getting cool, and after that nobody, at least during that particular, say for example for 2 years course or 3 years course or 1 year course they are doing, after that I don't hear any such wrong words for him. That is my ability, capability. That is my convincing nature. When I am telling them the truth about Mr. Gandhi, after that they are not telling anything against Mr. Gandhi. But as of now, if you will meet anybody between 18 to 40 years, definitely they will tell you like this. In civil service examination, you are going to appear, my dear all students, whosoever will be after cracking your prelims and main exam, when you are appearing for interview exam in any government interview, always remember one thing: during government interview of any department, if you say any wrong thing against Mr. Gandhi, they will never take you. It's my guarantee warranty, they will never take you if you will tell anything wrong against Mr. Gandhi. So you are supposed to show manager like quality. Yes, situation reaction test. As per situation, even though you hate him, you dislike him, but you are supposed to show nice feeling towards him, nice words towards him, and a nice dialogues towards him. And that particular dialogue should be in 5 words. They're asking you in 5 words. It means 5 adjectives. 5 words means at 5 adjectives. Admire the word. And I will give you today all 5 words in English. Remember those words. If you want to admire anybody, use those words. If you don't want to admire, then it's up to you. Very simple. So in the interview, you will say, with due respect, sir, really, I am blessed. I am blessed with such a question, nice question, whereby I will be admiring Mr. Gandhi, who is the father of nation. Definitely for him, I will use the 5 words. The very first word is rocking. Means Mr. Gandhi was rocking. Awesome. fantastic, fabulous, marvelous. These are the five words which you are supposed to use for Mr. Gandhi in terms of his appreciation for his admire. Always remember. And you are supposed to say at last he was in real sense you were having he was having rock these five qualities with him in true sense, and along with that strong character and a strong intention. Don't forget to use these two words also, strong character and strong intention. Whatever you know about him through any wrong sources or resources, please forget all those things at least for that moment, at least for 30 minutes, at least for at that time when you are answering this question. Forget about that and build up, inculcate inside you the all positive feeling. Try to inculcate inside you all those positive feeling about Mr. Gandhi and say this. Thank you so much. May God bless you. The happy beginning.